Hey, how you doing, Garage Door Mike? Today, we're going to show you 2500 vinyl back by Hormann. This is their new line out of Tennessee. This is the stamped shaker look. Pretty nice here. I believe they do have a little bit deeper of an impression, so it's a little bit more in-depth of a design than the CHI or AMR. I think the CHR and AMR is very subtle compared to this, so this one kind of pops a little more. We did a window up top. We did 3 other doors on the house up there, but I'll just make the video down here because this is the cooler garage anyway. Detached, 9x8 and a 16x8, and then on the big one, we did 40 inches of high lift. We got 1 bumper up. Next one on the top of the ladder, ready to go. This one is just plain Jane, nothing special. With the new 2500 line from Hormann, these are the non-pinch resistant, so you can pinch your fingers in here. So it's now, it's traditional like tongue and groove. It's like a little bit larger of a tongue and groove than like CHI or AMR or whoever else. But traditional hinges, 14 gauge, 11 ball nylon, and obviously on the vinyl back, it is non-insulated window. They do make these in an 1 3/8 sandwich door. That's non-insulated glass as well. Personally, I think I probably like this door a little better than the 1 3/8 one. I think it's a little bit more built, a little bit decent, even though the sandwich door is a sandwich door. But that's a video for another day. This one here is going to get a jack shaft. Where's that at? Right here in the box, right there. And then the small door, the homeowner opted to buy Home Depot or Menards openers with the extension kit. So whatever. So that's what we're up to. 2500, 16x8, 9x8, vinyl back, Hormann stamp shaker. And that's how she looks. Looks good. For all your stamped shaker doors, raised panel, long panel, stamped carriage house, whatever you want, overlay. 630-271-9343, www.innovativedoor.com. Thank you. Thanks for subscribing. Without you, it don't happen. Ask a question, drop a comment, drop a like. We'll help you out any way we can. Thank you very much for watching, and as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. You guys have a good one.